Now, this whole philosophy isn't just some nice theory. It's a proven method used by some of the most dominant athletic programs in history. These aren't just one-off examples. These are dynasties built on the idea of smart, sustainable work. So let's pull back the curtain and see how the best of the best actually train. If you look at sports history, you can kind of see two big schools of thought. There's the traditional American model, which often glorified intensity and toughness, these brutal practices a few times a week. And then you have the old Eastern Bloc model, especially in sports like wrestling and gymnastics. Their entire system was built on volume. Athletes trained almost every single day, but the practices were more about technique, skill, and were often described as being playful. This approach led to a mind-boggling amount of skill accumulation over time and way less burnout. I mean, just look at the Russian wrestlers. They've dominated the sport for decades. Their system is basically a factory for producing technical wizards. Their practices often start out super light, almost like a game, just focused on movement and flow. They understand that to become a master, you need thousands upon thousands of perfect reps, not just a few all-out wars in the practice room.
You see the exact same thing with the Cuban boxers, another program that consistently produces world and Olympic champions. If you watch them train, it's not a bloodbath, it's touch sparring. They're not trying to knock each other's heads off. They're focused on the skill of boxing, the footwork, the timing, the defense. They're getting in countless repetitions without the wear and tear and brain damage that ends careers early.
The great boxing trainer Angelo Dundee, who trained Muhammad Ali, said it best. Fighting is for fight night. In practice, it's only practice.